naging talo ng parehong koponan na to. Lalo ang LPU. Sabi natin, double overtime nung first game at saka nung last game nila. Ay, you feel for Coach Gilbert Malabanan and his team.
Pero makikita natin ngayon, Nico, parang may changes si Coach Gilbert. Hindi niya ni-start si Renz Villegas. His #1 scorer. So, tingnan natin kung anong strategy niya for today's game.
Renz is actually top 2 on the league on based on points for the whole season. 101, averaging 18.67 points. As LPU will have a second crack on the basket. Second serving is good. It's Aviles.
Yeah. Being patient with the ball, power dribble, and syempre, wala siyang defender doon, so he took it strong. But syempre, nagbabalik Team Makongotan last game, scoring 20 points. And he's been consistent all throughout the game, all throughout this season so far. Good steal for Aviles.
Ito na si Aviles. Turning. Good scoring.
Footwork. As you see Aviles, you know, sobrang ganda nung start niya ngayon. Being patient inside the paint. And with that footwork.
It's a 4-0 start for LPU. They always have a good start.
Ayun na nga, Nico eh. Ayun talaga yung naging story ng Arellano. Always maganda yung start nila, pero yung dulo sila na kukulangan talaga.
And look at that, Ongotan playing the passing lane there. Gives it to Kamay, his point guard. Pinoya hesitates, drives, spins against Barba with a looper is good.
Using his body against itong si Ato Barba.
Moralejo also had a good game last game with Aviles. That's a hit check, I think, for
Oo nga,
Aviles.
hit check for Aviles, but just missed that perimeter. Pero itong si Moralejo, 5 triples siya last game.
And we will hear first for his first report of the game, Aaron Lee. Aaron.
3 games in, 3 heartbreaks later, but the LPU Pirates refuse to let go of the fight. For the second time this season, they found themselves in a familiar double overtime territory, with both of those moments coming at losses para sa LPU. This time, they head into their matchup against Arellano, still winless but not hopeless. Di pa namin nakuha yung right rhythm, yung right game. It happens, said Coach Gilbert Malabanan. As long as we give our very best, the important thing is we learn every time. I don't give the players any pressure because it's not gonna define us. What matters is how we handle it. Malabanan admitted that the Pirates could easily be in a better position record-wise. Dapat 2-1 kami ngayon, dagdag ni Coach Gilbert. LPU knows it's not about starting over. It's about finishing what they've been building. Nico and Prince.
But that's what we're talking about, Prince. LPU always have a good start. Dun sa kanilang last game, lahat ay napakaganda ng simula. It's about sustaining up until the end.
Tsaka gusto ko yung sinabi na they're winless but not hopeless.
Yun.
Lalo na ngayong format na to, wala talaga yung sure eliminated after this elimination round. Lahat may chance pa rin. So kahit na winless ka pa rin, may hope ka pa rin, may pag-asa pa ka rin to make it.
And last time I talked to Coach Gilbert, what he wants is just to enjoy the game for his players. At kasi kapag nag-enjoy ka, lalabas at lalabas yung laro, may no pressure, sabi mo nga kanina.
At saka yun yung lagi dapat yung mga players, mag-enjoy lang kasi they're doing the sport they love, they're passionate about, so just enjoy the game.
Speaking of enjoying Team Makongotan and Arellano, I think they're starting to feel this game as Binoya with an all-alone layup.
Yep. If you're Arellano, gonna take advantage of those fast break points. Ayun yung game nila eh. They love running the floor, scoring on fast breaks.
Second serving once again for LPU. Rebounds na naging problema last time. I think today they have 2 offensive rebounds already, but that's a foul on Montaño.
Pero grabe talaga yung naging difference ng offensive rebounds nila last game against San Sebastian. 33-5. So kahit na they have a big lineup, San Sebastian had a smaller lineup. So they were really outworked, di ba? So kailangan doble effort talaga when it comes to boxing out, getting those rebounds.
It's always about sino ang mas gusto na manalo. Sinong mas gusto ng bola. Ito yung madalas tinatawag ngayon sa ating Season 101. Yung mga lane violation na ganyan.
Oo nga, lagi. Mas nagiging strict na, syempre, ang mga referees natin.
Valencia misses. But Libang is there to clean up the mess. Nabatihan natin. Yata natin LPU as Peñafiel drives. And will be fouled.
Another guy sa Lyceum who could really explode, itong si Peñafiel. Loves the open court, a slasher. So, ayun, kailangan mag-step up rin itong si Peñafiel.
Karaniwan sa mga player ng LPU are really, slashers. Moralejo. Bukod sa tres ito si Moralejo, he loves to drive also. As you said, itong si Peñafiel. Barba also. We're tied at 10 with 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining on the first.
Kaya okay na springboard for Ato Barba last game eh. Since hindi niya nakukuha yung groove niya at the start of this season, nagkaroon siya ng career high last game. So it's a good confidence booster para one of the future games.
Well, they've been looking for Barba doon sa laro na yon up until the very end. Even though he had cramps on the last second, nakita natin, he fought for it.
Yeah. And he really gave it his all, 100%. Kaya siya nag-cramps. 35 minutes. Hindi biro yun, nakakapagod yun. Running up and down the court for 35 minutes.
Eto na, Barba, paborito mula sa labas.
Unlimited range for Barba. Layo niya sa line. And may tao siya sa harap, but he still took it.
Defense should always be instinct dito kay Barba. Ongotan. Drives.
Good pass.
Another drop pass.
Sorry miss for Libang. 3-on-1.
Barba. Moralejo, hindi na binigay ni Barba. Kaya niya raw. As Montaño. That's the second time Montaño trying to clean up the mess.
Good effort for Montaño getting that offensive rebound for that second chance opportunity.
This is the first timeout of the first quarter. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. It's a close ball game we're having today. LPU versus Arellano as Barba once again. Parang karugtog pa doon ang heat checking niya from last game, Prince.
Confidence, andun pa rin yung confidence niya. And syempre, as a shooter, as the leading scorer, dapat hindi nawawala yung confidence talaga.
Well, what you want for Barba is to translate all those points into a win. And there's no other day but today. But Arellano leading by 1 here.
Yeah. Pero
Or
itong
by 4.
Yeah, 4 points. Pero ang story talaga ng Lyceum, wala silang problema sa points eh. They're second in offense.
Yeah. Check
Pero
that.
pagdating sa defense, naging last place sila, allowing 87.67 points.
Check that, Princess. LPU leading by 4, 14 to 10.
Yeah.
Well, that's right after Ato Barba's 3. And right now, Montaño at the line. Pero may dino-double check lang itong ating mga referee. On their last game against San Sebastian, ito rin si Montaño ang isa sa mga missing link doon sa LPU Pirates.
Kasi itong si Montaño, alam natin yung kakayanan niya eh, capabilities niya. Pero for this season, di pa rin siya nagkakaroon ng explosive game. Pero yun yung hinihintay talaga natin, itong si Montaño to step up.
Well, Montaño last game only had 2 points on a 1 out of 4 field goal. He's not trying to find his shots nung nakarang laban. And now,
2-1 press now for Lyceum. Full court trap.
Langit now in the game.
Of course, rookie guard ng Arellano. Ito si MJ Langit.
7 to shoot for the blue shirts. Ongotan. Tulangit. 2 to shoot.
Binoya
Pinasa pa. Aabot ba? Hindi na para kay Binoya.
He wasn't aware of the shot clock.
Tira mo. Sabi ng mga
Oo.
coaching staff nitong Arellano. There's a turnover story for today. On this first quarter, dalawa para sa LPU, isa para rito sa Arellano. Montaño to Aviles. Aviles spins.
Good pass.
Kicks out. Peñafiel drives. Off the reverse. Misses. Ongotan tatakbo. Binoya nasa kanan. Ibinigay. Binoya with another 3-point opportunity.
Pinawi niya yung turnover na yun, Nico. With an N1 opportunity. Of course, good pass by Timac Ongotan.
And look at this. Arellano running the floor smoothly as Ongotan dropping it off to Binoya. Can he complete the 3-point play? He can't as Barbak got the rebound. (16 to 12) ang ating score.
Good steal.
Another steal for Arellano. Binoya. No foul there. At turnover for
Sayang yung
Arellano.
opportunity na yun. By Binoya. Nakulangan sa legs eh.
Yeah, oh.
Nabitin yung pagtalon niya.
Off foot eh. As Versosa and Renz Villegas is in the game now. Again, Renz Villegas, our second in points in this early stage of season 101 with 18 points, 6 to 7. Now muna natin, Justin Sanchez from CSB. 4 minutes remaining in this first quarter. Moralejo, another turnover ba? Hindi muna, sabi ni Barba. As Langit will commit a foul there.
Pero isang malaking kawalan din for LSU, itong si Maclod Guadana,
Yun.
who won't be playing this season due to injury. So, syempre, nawalan sila ng scorer, a person who can dominate, a person who can shoot during crunch time,
Yep.
tsaka leader. So, yun talaga yung nawala sa LSU.
And what you want is for Renz Villegas to step up and fill that void left by Guadagna. Speaking of,
He is showing so far.
Versosa fakes. Attempt to shoot. Barba. Turnover. Oh no. The ball will remain with LPU with 6 seconds to shoot.
Dalawang beses na natatapikan itong si Ato Barba.
Nakikiskisan sa ilalim itong si Barba at Borromeo. Moralejo. Here's the knockout play. Montaño.
Oh, good play. 6 points now for Montaño. 2 of 2 from the field. It's a good start for him.
Abiera flies, misses. But look at Langit. And they will remain possession. What an effort.
Ito rin si Abiera yung naging missing link nila last game. He just played 6 minutes scoreless. He was held scoreless and he's the number 2 scorer for Arellano. So hindi siya nakapag-perform masyado last game.
That's coming off a good performance on the first turn of the season para sa Arellano. Dito si Abiera. Abiera looking for Hernal. Abiera pulls up. Misses. What a battle there on the rebound. But Hernal able to get that. Arellano will take possession. Look at Hernal. Dalawa ang kalaban ni Hernal doon.
Pero nakuha niya pa rin.
Too many fouls on their first quarter break. As LPU still leading here, 18-12. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Dr. Lorenzo watching here sa Phil Oil Center from Emilio Aguinaldo College. Magandang umaga po. Umaga pa rin, di ba? 11:25. At syempre, kasama rin natin Dr. Alan Paul Laico, PhD ng Lyceum of the Philippines University. Magandang umaga mga sir. Panalo ang gusto ni Doc for today. And right now, they are leading 18-12 itong LPU Pirates. But itong si si Borromeo will be at the free throw line and he makes the first one. Borromeo, second is good.
Ngayon, Arellano naman ang nagpe-press ngayon with a 1-2-2 full court.
Gumante, no?
Oo eh. To slow down the offense of Lyceum.
Villegas looking for Barba. 13 to shoot. Barba against
Good D.
Langit. Aurigue. Hands it off. No. Nagkaano ng papasahan. 5 to shoot for the Gray Shirts. Daileg. Wala na siyang choice dito. Daileg fires. All board.
Grabe yung depensa ng Arellano doon. Was able to make a stop.
Langit. Gets the ball. Down low. Ooh. Arellano. Scoring. This time it's Layton. Buenaventura.
A big that can move that quick. Naiwan niya yung defender niya doon with a little bit of shimmy.
Barba. Gives it to Versosa.
Wants this post.
Against Borromeo. Pulls up. Malakas. And there will be a foul. That's a bailout foul. Oh, I think it's...
Ito yun. Look at this shimmy. Oh.
Ito yung galaw ni Buenaventura muna. Look at that. Finding the angle.
Oh.
Finding the board. Oh, the foul was committed by Versosa on that shot.
Masama niyan. Penalty na both teams.
As Matthew Langit now at the line. A chance for him to tie this game up after the second free throw. First is good. Look at this. Ito raw yung... oh, it's Jonathan Daile on the rebound. Prince.
Na-extend yung arm niya eh. Okay sana kung katawan-katawan lang eh. Pero nakita ng ref na na-extend. So tinawagan ng foul.
Kala ko si Borromeo pa yung tinawagan nyo kanina. And we are tied at 18. Arellano on an 8-2 run in the last 1 and 46 seconds.
Good contest.
Aurigue
Honestly.
misses. Abiera has the ball.
Posting up Villegas, the smaller guy.
Langit. Hindi ginamit yung pick ni Buenaventura. Now Abiera pulls up. All defense is there. Check that, sabi ng referee, the ball will remain with Arellano.
Yeah.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
14 to shoot for Arellano now. Abiera with an inbound. Gives it to Hernal. In the middle, block there. Natamaan yata sa leeg itong si Hernal on that play. But what a defense there by LPU. Look at this. The rebound. That's Aurigue on the block. Pero nagkatamaan itong si Villegas at saka itong si Hernal. Nag-iimbestigan niya ng ating mga referee. Sakit to.
Oo, natamaan sa mukha.
We're looking if that will be
Anspo?
yep.
Upgraded to Anspo, yeah. Kasi usually, pag sa mukha yung tama, Anspo upgrade eh.
Right now, we're tied at 18 with 1 and 19 seconds remaining on the first quarter. And sabi natin kanina, Prince, LPU always maganda ang simula. It's all about sustaining up until the end. Also Arellano, ganun din naman itong Arellano. Pwede natin sabihin, pareho sila ng
Ayun.
ng sakit, no?
So makita natin ngayon sa game na to kung sino yung makakapanalo and makakasolve na ng ganong problem nila.
A body ribbon foul was upgraded to a sportsmanlike foul on number 42, Joseph Hernal.
At saka itong Lyceum last game, 19-point lead first half. Then umabol lang talaga. So yun talaga yung nagiging problema ng dalawang teams na to. Di sila nakakapag-finish strong.
Ayun na nga, unsportsmanlike foul na nga ang itinawag dito kay Hernal. As Villegas now at the line to shoot the bonus. First throw is good. Villegas, the man from Bataan. Gets another one.
From possession station with the LPU Pirates. Shot clock is
Last game, Villegas had 15 points, but you know he's been absent on towards the end of the second OT, I think.
Yan, fouled out itong si Renz Villegas.
Aurigue hands it off to Jonathan Daileg. 5 to
Good
shoot
deep.
for LPU. Naiipit dito.
Good deep.
At ayun na, backcourt violation na ang itatawag kay Daileg. And the ball will go back to Arellano.
Kaya nakikita natin agad. Ngayong start pa lang ng quarter, yung aggressiveness ng Arellano sa defense. And it's been working.
Langit gets the ball here. Hands it off to Kabotahe. Pulls up. He has a shot.
Not the
Aurigue
best
gets
shot
the
there.
board. Balingayan, first time in the game. Under a minute remaining. Villegas swings it to the Ileg from the corner. Hits the front of the iron there. 2-for-1 opportunity for Arellano.
Oh,
One man down. Abiera pulls off from the outside.
Wala pa rin.
No. Fresh 14 for Arellano. Look at that. Borromeo, third serving for the blue shirts. Can't make it. Fourth serving. Still miss.
Last shot.
6 seconds. Villegas pulls up. Misses once again. And at the end of the first quarter,
and the end of the opening quarter.
LPU leading only by 2, 20-18. As we're seeing here, yung action doon sa isang bumagsak doon, Buenaventura. Medyo may swing ng bahagya doon kay Palingayan. Kaya, ayun, bumagsak itong si Palingayan. After this first quarter, LPU still leading by 2, 20-18. Magbabalik tayo for more basketball here on NCAA Season 101.
Second quarter.
Geronimo. Calling for the play here. Kabotahe, curling, di binigay. Now Maverick Pinoy at the post against the defense of Aurigue. Great defense from Aurigue. Tatakbo na ang LPU. Villegas gives it to Versosa. Versosa is fouled on the way up. Grabe yung on-air battle ni Versosa. Look at this. Buenaventura. Sasabay sana. Pero foul lang yung tinawag.
Good find para kay Villegas. Nakita niya yung trailing Versosa. Di lang na-finish, but at least he got fouled.
The energy is slowly getting up sa ating first half after those two unsportsmanlike foul called on Arellano. Di mo alam kung sino yung nagising, Arellano o LPU. But right now, Versosa going up. Misses on the second one. Scrambling for loose ball. Diving Aviera. Arellano has the ball. Geronimo gives it to Maverick. Libang with a pick. Pinoya to Libang. Oh, and there will be a foul called on Aurigue. And before anything else, let's have Aaron D for his report. Aaron.
The Arellano Chiefs have quietly been building something in this new season as they've proven once again that they could go toe-to-toe with the heavyweights of the NCAA. First, taking the unbeaten Perpetual Altas down to the wire and then giving that late game scare against the defending champions, the Mapua Cardinals. Now at 1-2, they come into this matchup against LPU with lessons learned and confidence earned. Talo is talo pa rin. Accountable ako doon, said Coach Chico Manabat. Great experience. Simula pa lang ang liga. Madami pa kaming mai-improve. LPU is a contender and ganun din kami. We want to get the win and sana maging consistent din kami. The foundation has been laid and for Arellano, it feels like only a matter of time before the breakthrough comes. Nico and Prince.
Thank you so much, Aaron. Kanina rin kausap ko yan si Coach Chico. Gusto mo yung accountability for Coach Chico na kapag yan yung mga talo na yan, karaniwan sa atin kapag nanalo, players ang ating pinupuri for losses, coaches ang sumasalo ng mga yan. And for Coach Chico, walang problema sa kanya yung mga ganon dahil alam niya rin daw na may pagkukulang siya. But what matters most right now ay kung paano sila babalik at makakapanalo muli sa Season 101.
At saka ang importante, team kayo, walang sisihan. You'll lose together, you'll win together. Ang importante dyan, paano kayo maghatakan pataas pag may mga ganong situation na pagkatalo.
Pag mga ganyang start of the season, Prince, nung naglalaro ka, and sunod-sunod siguro, back-to-back losses for naranasan nyo na ba yan?
Meron talaga syempre. And lalo na kapag kunyari yung mga tao titingin kayo na parang contender kayo for this season tapos hindi nyo napapakita yun. So syempre nag-lean down talaga kayo pero ang importante talaga niyan, kahit outside training, mag-get together kayo as a team, mag-usap-usap kayo or do something else, do other activities rather than basketball para lang mawala yung pressure, yung downside nyo. So, para ma-lift lang yung spirit nyo. Yun ang importante. Mag-bond kayo together.
And that's also how you build chemistry sa inyong team. As of Viera now at the line, they're down by 3. Gets the first one. It's still a close ball game here in our first half. Sana ganito hanggang dulo. Second free throw is good for Aviera as Tima Congotan back in the game. Timac still scoreless in this game, but has 3 rebounds and 2 assists. Villegas against Cabotaje. Moralejo also back in this game. Moralejo against the defense of Pinoya, pulls up.
That was a tough shot for Moralejo. Ang laki ng yung defender niya yun, pero tinira niya pa rin yun ganong kalayo ng 3 points.
Meron na namang isang bumagsak. That's the second time a man down in this game. Look at this shot first by Moralejo, dancing against the defense of Binoya.
Sizing him out.
That's a Luka Doncic.
Pero doon talaga nakukuha yung rhythm when you size up your opponent. Kahit na tingin mo mahirap, pero totoo niyan, kinukuha mo yung rhythm mo going into that shot.
As we're seeing the 3-point field goal story in this first half. 3 out of 5 for LPU. 0 out of 5 naman para sa Arellano. Ayaw pa mahulog ng mga tira sa labas. Ongotan. Will he dare to try? No.
2 defenders on him. He forced that one.
Look at the battle. Aviles and Libang.
Nakakailang offensive rebounds na tong Arellano. Yun talaga naging problema ng Lyceum. Last game pa lang. Hindi sila nakakapag-box out ng maayos. Pero swerte na lang jump ball and possession ng Lyceum ngayon. Ato Barba. Strong move.
Using the board and attacking the basket. Itong si Ato.
Well, yun talaga strength niya going downhill and finishing strong. Kabotahe.
Kabotahe, 0 out of 6.
Another offensive rebound.
Ongotan will try from the corner.
There you
Finally!
go. First triple for Arellano. Side ball screen for Villegas.
Moralejo once again.
Mismatch over there kay Aviles.
Nako. And the ball will go back to the blue shirts.
Hindi lang nakita yung mismatch doon kay Aviles. He had the smaller kabotahe.
And look at this drive. Mula rito kay Ato Barba. Protecting the basketball with that elbow. Ito naman, Tima Ongotan for the first 3 for Arellano. Isa pa sana ron, pero mindes itong si Tima. Aviles.
Look at this pressure for Libang.
Balik na yata. Dalawang big man na nasa taas.
Oo nga. Sila na nagmaman ng guard. Pero naging over-aggressive lang doon si Libang, committing that foul. Ayun, nahawakan na niya si Aviles.
Dalawa nga sila, naghahawakan niya.
Gonna move your feet.
Reyes in the game now. Barba. Barba
Ooh, nakalusot.
takes it. And he is fouled. Nag-uusap ito si Libang at si Valencia. Sino ang may pagkukulang sa depensa?
Sino yung dapat nag-help doon? Pero you know, once Ato Barba goes downhill, mahirap na talaga pigilan Kaya simula pa lang, kailangan dikitan na agad siya.
Hindi na nakaset yung paa nitong si Libang after that switch.
And good job for Barba taking advantage of that. Nakita niya, mas malaki, mas mabagal yung defender niya. So nakita niya, may angle ng konti, so he drove that basket.
And you saw, may kasama pang gulang
Oo.
May konting chicken wing.
Part na yan, kasama na yan.
Barba misses on the second one. 1 out of 2 on the trip.
Down screen for Valencia.
It's just a 4-point lead for LPU.
Geronimo, midi.
Ernest Geronimo. I think that's his first 2 points of the game.
This is another guy who can explode Itong si Geronimo, scoring-wise.
That's the 7th turnover for the LPU. As we see first this
Double screen.
midi mula rito kay Ernest Geronimo. A great shot there. Dalawa na lang, inahabol ng Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. back here in Zone 1. As we see Sir Francisco Paulino Caico from Arellano University watching this game. What a great game we're having. First half pa lang.
Oo, dikit pa rin ang laban. Wala talagang gustong lumayo.
29-27 as we see Coach Chico Manabat saying a while ago siya ang may kasalanan ng mga pagkatalo. And it's so good for a coach to be accountable with the losses. Parang wala naman yatang choice ng mga coaches eh. No?
Oo, at saka ano rin yan, parang it's a sign na pinoprotektahan niya rin yung mga players niya from the viewers, from the audience, kung sino mga nanonood. As nakita natin, field goal percentage, 38% for Lyceum Arellano, 33%. Taas ng zone ng Lyceum.
Turnover story, 7 for LPU, 3 for Arellano.
Cross-court pass, almost a
Ongotan.
steal.
That's a dangerous pass, but Ongotan takes it inside.
Asking for a foul, tinamaan daw siya, pero walang tinawag. Oh!
Dangerous pass also from Barba, but Palinga, no, that's Renz Villegas.
Yung pasa ni Barba, akala ni Villegas, dire-diretso siya sa rim, pati stop on the 3-point line. Pero napaganda pa yun.
Hindi pinahiya yung pasa na yun as Valencia with a jumper from the baseline. Barba
Going downhill again, Ato
challenging
Barba.
the defense of Arellano.
Strong right, itong si Ato Barba. Player tendencies lang yan, Nico eh. You know Ato Barba strong right, you're gonna force him left. Oh, almost a travel there. Libang staying in control with that sky hook.
Libang scoring for Arellano, 34-31. Charles Libang has 6 points now as Villegas misses on the shot.
3-point game.
4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining.
Binoya.
Binoya fakes. Kicks it out to Valencia from the 3-0. Tatakbo na naman si
3
Barba.
on 2 for Lyceum. Ooh, just missed it.
Jeronimo commits a foul on the Ato Barba drive. And look at this pass. Swak na swak sa kamay ni Renz Villegas.
Si Villegas na nag-adjust dun sa pasa ni Barba eh. Valencia with the midi. Oh. Oh, 0 of 2.
Free throws, missed free throws, piling up para rito sa LPU. Dalawa kanina kay Villegas, I think. Dalawa kay Barba ngayon.
Nakaboxing mo ng Lyceum ngayon. Manning Ongotan. Ayaw talaga patanggapin si Ongotan.
Moralejo. To the right, to Barba for 3.
Man. Barba starting to feel it.
Ayun na naman sana yung depensa ng LPU kay Ongotan. Pero may foul muna itatawag.
Masyadong open. Ito si Ato Barba draining that triple.
Buenaventura is back in the game.
Medyo lumalaki na yung lamang ng Lyceum ngayon. 6-point game.
37-31 with 3 and 17 seconds remaining in the first half. Kamay.
Spain action.
Great defense from Aviles. The ball will... sa kabila raw.
No.
As we see again, the 3-point field goals, 5 out of 7 para sa LPU, 71%. At 1 out of 11 for Arellano University. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. We're seeing the LPU women's volleyball team enjoying this game ng kanilang basketball counterpart. Siyempre, supporter on para dito sa LPU Lady Pirates. Ngayon, lamang sila. Enjoy pa yan. 37-31. As we see also, kasama nila Coach Cromwell ng LPU women's volleyball. Wala yata training today.
Oo, break. Or baka mamayang hapon.
Mamaya pa?
Oo. Usually pag volleyball, hapon yata yung training nila.
LPU ang bola. Ayan na naman ang press nitong Arellano. Moralejo. 6 points in this game.
Clear screen for Montaño.
Walang mabigyan. Montaño gets it. 10 to shoot for LPU. Montaño with a looper. Misses. Arellano gets the board. Borromeo zigzagging. His own version of looper. And the ball will go back to LPU. Parang wala pa nakakashot ng ganong klase ng
Floater,
hirap rin,
no?
no?
Actually, meron nga rin si Team Makomota doon from the corner. Wala rin eh. Medyo maalat yung floater natin ngayon.
Oops!
Good D for Kamay.
Kamay.
Another athletic guard for Arellano. Si Yuan Kamay.
Kamay for today is still scoreless, but still trying to orchestrate Arellano's offense right now. Has one assist under his name. Moralejo. Spins. Walang mapasahan doon. Walang bumaba na ibang taga-LPU.
4 on
Hernal.
2. Hernal flying.
Nilagay na lang nitong si Hernal.
Look at that elevation.
This is coming off a great defense. Hernal. Anong pakialam sa depensa nitong si Aviles? Wala.
Piling ko kaya niya i-dunk yun eh. Athletic, very athletic.
Can he complete that three-point opportunity? Nagdalawang isip yung bola. Sige na nga.
Naka-small lineup ngayon ng Arellano. They have to take advantage of that. They have to run.
Almost an 8-second violation for Barba. Peñafiel. Who's foul ref? Offensive foul.
Actually, ang ganda panoorin yung small lineup ng Arellano ngayon. Defensively, pinipressure nila yung mga guards nila. Then offensively naman, tinatakbuhan nila.
Ang sentro mo na rito, si Hernal eh.
Oh, with Lyceum kasi you have Aviles pa. You have Montaño.
Yan ang pinag-uusapan namin ni Coach Chico kanina on kung gaano sila not really under height, but one of the smallest team in this season 101. Right after the departure nitong si Kapulong.
Yun, oo. Kaya kailangan mahanap nila yung strength nila, which is yun, running the floor.
Kamay spins. Gives it to the corner. Akop. And there's a foul on Moralejo, I think. Nagkakakiskisan itong si Moralejo. At saka itong si Hernal. Penalty na itong Arellano.
Kakayakapan. But if you're Lyceum, knowing that Arellano has a small lineup, gonna take advantage of it na kailangan boss yan si Aviles, dominate inside the paint. Kasi ang Arellano, ginagawa nila, tinatakbuhan sila.
Tinatakbuhan
So
no?
Lyceum, kailangan take advantage din nila kung anong meron sila ngayon.
And look at Borromeo. Ayan, Coach Chico
Tumama daw sa mukha.
asking for a review. A challenge. Tinapik daw natama daw sa muka after that tap from behind ditong si Borromeo. Let's see if tama ang mga eagle eye. Kasi nangyari sa tapat ng bench mismo ng
so kita
Arellano.
talaga.
Let's see here.
So confident talaga si Coach Chico sa challenge niya.
It's a tap. From behind. Tumama
Uy.
ba? Oh!
Oo.
That's off the face nitong si Ato Barba.
Good challenge yun.
And confident din itong si Borromeo. Tumama sa mukha, Coach. Kaya si Coach din, harap na harap. And this is the other angle.
Kaya naman ganda rin yun sa NCAA, no? May challenge na talaga eh. Para to make sure na tama talaga yung calls ng referees.
What's the final verdict? Right now, dalawa lang itong lamang ng LPU. And here's the final decision. The ball will go back to Arellano. A chance for them to tie this game up or maybe take the lead. With 1 and 50 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Kamay calling for a play. Looking for Ongotan. Timac has the ball.
Rejecting the
Timac
screen.
flies. What a shot there! That's a confident Timac Ongotan. Montaño against the defense of Hernal. Gives it to Barba.
Good
Look at the
D.
defense. Borromeo once again.
Anthony Borromeo.
That's the second time Borromeo tapping that ball from behind.
Bad foul.
At iisa ang biktima, si Ato Barba. Look at this shot. The hang time move from Timac Ongotan. Yan dapat yung gagawin ni Maverick Vinoya kanina.
Oo.
Eh sabi ni Timac, ako na, Maverick.
Wala nag-help eh dito kay Timac.
That's an off-foot shot. And look at this, Borromeo from defense to offense with an all-alone layup. Pero may foul.
Oo, yun lang. Nasira yung momentum doon ng Arellano.
As they get that lead for the first time in this game. Villegas can't tie it. Ongotan drives once again. Timac Ongotan.
That's the second time he rejected the screen and it worked for him.
Barba under a minute remaining in the first half.
Good backdoor.
Montaño nakawala.
Ryan Montaño.
2-for-1 opportunity for Arellano.
Hinahanap talaga ni Kamay si Ongotan
Ongotan again.
against Villegas.
Good
Backdoor
pass, good
play.
backdoor.
Everything but the shot there para kay Borromeo. As we look at this, chopping it off, Peñafiel to Montaño.
Masyadong late yung drop down doon.
Here's the reverse for Anthony Borromeo.
41-40, Arellano gets the lead here. At ito si Borromeo, nagdagdag pa ng isa. Ito na naman yung sinasabi natin against LPU. Misses on the second one, but the ball will remain with the blue shirts.
Now, Coach Gilbert wants to challenge. I see him naman ang magta-challenge.
Gaganda yata si Coach Gilbert. But let's see if it's the same result for the LPU.
Challenge by the LPU Pirates on the last out of bounds play.
Arellano, after being down dun sa ating first quarter, slowly
Great second quarter for Arellano, scoring 23 points.
look at that battle between Dailig and Hernal. Oh, parang tama rin si Coach Gilbert, ah. Montaño and Hernal. Oh, balik na sa LPU itong bola rito. 1-1.
1-1. Good challenge. Kahit na malayo si Coach Gilbert, confident pa rin siya na tama yung putok niya.
Ito yung drive ulit ni Umotan kanina against the outstretched arm of Aviles. 3 seconds differential on the game clock and the shot clock.
He wants to post up.
Montaño kicks it out to the Ilig. Free from the three. Misses. Oh. Peñafiel can get hold of that basketball. Balik ang bola sa Arellano.
George Cabalate coming in for the Heat. Rayon Palingayan. And Jacob Verzosa coming in for the Pirates.
Palitan ng tao dito sa Lyceum for defensive purposes.
Arellano will try to write the last sentence of this first half. Kamay, 4 to shoot. Gives it to the right. Borromeo misses. And after 2 quarters, Arellano now leading by 2, 42-40 against the LPU Pirates. Marami pa tayong basketball. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101.
Adjustments. Enforce him left.
Ang meron ng Arellano, itong si Borromeo. 2 beses nang natatapikan mula sa likod ito si Borromeo, itong si Barba.
Oo, malaking bagay itong si Borromeo. Defending ito si Ato Barba.
As we start our third quarter, Omotan from the 3. That's how you start your third quarter.
Ito si Omotan, yung bumubuhay dito sa Arellano when it comes to 3-point.
Sabi niya, anong
Another
pinagsasabi
turnover.
niyo? Anong sinasabi niyo 1 out of 10? 2 out of 11 na ngayon.
Narinig ka eh, Nico.
As we see this shot from Timac, no hesitations off the pass.
Enforcing a turnover again.
5 na ang lamang ng Arellano. Timac looking for his teammate. So Kamay drops it up to Borromeo.
Floater, wala pa rin. Lyceum running 2-on-1 fast break.
3-on-2 now. Versosa against the defense of Borromeo once again.
Another wasted opportunity there. 3-on-2. Hindi lang na-convert yung finish na yun.
Tuwang-tuwa sa depensa itong si Borromeo, and finally a floater.
Draining that first floater this game. Side ball screen. Switch.
Kicks it out to Moralejo.
10
That's
seconds
passing there. Barba fakes against the defense of Borromeo again. Look at Borromeo. Forces Barba to pass. 1 to shoot. And hindi naaabot.
Borromeo's hyped up right now as he should. Kasi grabe yung depensa na ginagawa niya dito kay Ato Barba.
And he's loving it.
He
He's
is.
loving his assignment today. 13 turnovers for LPU against the 3 nitong Arellano.
This is now the biggest lead for Arellano with 7.
As Timac misses, and we will have a report from Aaron Lee. Aaron,
It was a very passionate halftime huddle for the LPU Pirates as Coach Gilbert Malabanan did not hold back in reminding his players, kahit anong play gawin natin, walang mangyayari kung tapon tayo ng tapon ng bola. As turnovers were also the main emphasis of Coach Gilbert Malabanan in that halftime huddle, reminding his players that, of course, the point guards, yun yung mga challenge ni Coach Gilbert there. They also revisited film during the break, focusing on how they've allowed 28 points inside the paint compared to their 14. As the second half is underway, LPU looks to respond with focus, maturity, and cleaner execution. Back to you guys, Nico and Prince.
Thank you so much, Aaron. As Arellano now up by 7.
At ayun
Care
na
of
nga.
this guy, Timac Ongotan. And look at that play. This time from Mabiera. And that's the largest lead of the game by Arellano. 49-40. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Malcolm, now on your screen. Okay, smile lang, Prince.
Smile lang. Arellano fans siguro to. Happy syempre yung mga Arellano fans ngayon. Grabe yung run nila.
Yep, as we're seeing a lot of happy fans, smiling fans here sa Phil Oil Center sa San Juan City. Walang hindi magagamot yung pagiging masaya,
Oo
Prince.
naman. Best medicine. Smile.
Ang mukha nga, Lyceum nga. Mga naka-idolize ng Lyceum as... Pero dapat hindi eh. Dapat hindi sila happy.
Oo, pero kasi maaga pa. alam nila makakahabol pa tong Lyceum.
Well, right now, they are down 49-40.
Pero yun na nga nagiging problema ng Lyceum this quarter. Yung turnovers nila, kaya lumaki ng gantong laki itong Arellano 9-point lead. Dahil sa mga turnovers na na-force ng Arellano sa Lyceum.
7-0 run for Arellano in this third quarter. LPU hasn't scored dito sa ating third quarter, Prince. This is always the problem for Coach Gilbert's team.
At saka hindi pa rin binabago ni Coach Chico yung lineup niya. Small lineup pa rin. And good decision yun kasi it's been working for them. So why change it? Because it's working.
On the third quarter against San Sebastian, on their double overtime loss against San Sebastian, LPU only scored 13 points against the 21 nitong San Sebastian. And for Coach Gilbert, you don't want to happen again.
Oo nga. As we're seeing, scoreless pa rin ng Lyceum ngayon. So tingnan natin kung may sagot na itong Lyceum. Another turnover forced by Arellano.
Iba-ibang pinapadala ni Coach Chico Manabat dito kay Ato Barba. Kanina Borromeo. This time, it's Abiera defending Ato.
Para rin nag-switch up yung energy ng Arellano. Kitang-kita mo sa kanila na very aggressive sila. At parang ine-enjoy nila eh. Yung defense nila eh.
Yes, as Hernal fakes.
Ooh.
A point-blank miss for Hernal. Villegas, nauna na. What a shot! Tutukan na yun, pareho. Ongotan takes it out to Kamay from the corner. It's good!
Another fast break point there for Arellano.
Another largest lead of the game. 12 points by Arellano.
Forced to switch there.
Ano nang gagawin ng LPU? Who will they go to? Moralejo, another turnover? Yes! And look at this, kicks out to Kamay. And Kamay able to convert that pass from Timac Ongotan.
Medyo nag-rattle yung Lyceum ngayon. Yung offense nila disorganized. So, someone has to control the game. Itong point guard ng Lyceum, kailangan i-control muna niya yung game.
That's the fourth assist of Timac Ongotan as Abiera joins the party from the outside.
Umiinit na sa 3 points itong Arellano. From first half, one made lang. Ngayon, nakakadalawa na sila.
As Renz Villegas converts a reverse layup. That's the third 3-point shot from Arellano in this third quarter after going 1 out of 10.
Strong move for Kamay. Smooth. Nailig.
15-point lead for Arellano now. Montaño pulls up. Daileg batting it down. Gives it to Villegas. Villegas drops it to Barba, and he was fouled on the way up. Bagsak si Barba rito.
Bad fall.
And look at this, Villegas dropping it off to Barba. Yung depensa natulak mula sa likod pala nitong si Jonathan Daileg.
Natulak siya eh.
Look at this, once again, other angle. Ayun, nagamitan. Kaya dumiretso papunta kay Barba.
Hindi naman sadya.
How it's gonna be called.
Good sportsmanship there for Abiera.
Hindi naman niya talaga kasi sadya.
Oo. Tinulak siya eh. Ng Tagal Lyceum.
Wala naman siyang balak sa bayan eh,
Oo.
on that drive nitong si Ato Barba. What a recognition from Renz Villegas on that play. As we're seeing a review here from our referees. Ang tanong dyan, Prince, paano yung tawag nun? Is it gonna be a foul, an annual
Ayun
play?
yan. Kasi makikita na tinulak din siya ng Lyceum, so baka ma-overturn pa yung call.
Kung ano yung nauna.
Oo.
Nagdidiskurso pa. Itong ating mga referee as we see, LPU Pirates. That quick, they're down by 13 now.
So just a regular foul.
Tinawagan pa rin ng foul itong si Renzo Abiera on that play. At counted yung tira nitong si Ato Barba. Parang nakaligtas si Daileg doon.
No.
Pero ibang angulo ng ating mga referee. Let's see. Barba can't complete. Abiera flying, missing. Ongotan gets the rebound. Second serving for Arellano. 10 to shoot for them. Ongotan calling a play. To the corner. Once
There you
again, another three from Arellano. Second from Abiera.
Grabe yung naging third quarter performance ng Arellano ngayon. Pumapasok na yung mga 3 points nila.
60 to 44.
16-point game.
This quarter, 0 out of 1 3-point field goal for LPU. 4 out of 5 from Arellano. Can they
Another one.
add once more? Abiera misses this time.
Na-excite dun si Abiera.
Moralejo pulls up. Misses. Gordon blocked by Hernal. And look at this. Abiera pulling from the outside. I think that's the first one. Here's the second three from Abiera.
10 points now for Abiera after going scoreless in first half.
Arellano really enjoying this third quarter. As Gordon quickly checks out of the game. Versosa papalit. Barba. Moralejo. It's a 29-7 run by Arellano.
Good help.
Since that 37-31 lead late in the second quarter by LPU.
At nagsisimula doon sa defense ng Arellano talaga eh. Force nila yung turnovers. But if you're Lyceum, they have to calm down. One possession at a time. Di nila kailangan magmadali. Di nila kailangan mag-rattle. Mas maaga pa. Third quarter pa lang.
Great save by Barba. Villegas to the corner. Moralejo, and he will step on the line.
That's turnover number 17 now for Lyceum.
Lyceum only scored 4 points in this third quarter compared to that 18 points by Arellano.
Pero Nico, most of their turnovers ngayong quarter, unforced eh. Stepping on the line, bad pass.
Geronimo. Now Borromeo. To the left side. From the 3. Misses this time. Jonathan gets the board. Kenado, Barba turn it off
Picked up the ball.
in this third quarter. Villegas tend to shoot for the gray shirts. Villegas against Apiera.
Good
Now
pass.
Barba from the 3.
There you go.
Finally for LPU. 60-47 by Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Here is the last shot by Ato Barba off that pass from Renz Villegas. Finally for LPU, scoring from the outside. After that 5 triples from the first half, Ato Barba finally trying to turn it up for his team.
Kakailanganin nila itong si Ato Barba if they wanna come back from a 13-point game. Ato Barba needs to step up and carry his team alongside Villegas.
Hindi sa nagkukulang si Barba. He
Oh.
has 16 points right now. It's the help he's been, he's been looking to.
Yeah.
Kabutahe now back in the game. Also Binoya, Kabutahe. Can't join the party. Tatakbo na si Villegas.
Dangerous pass there.
Villegas, mag-isa rito.
Coming off a timeout, a stop, and a fast break point. Good sign for Lyceum there.
Renz Villegas with 10 points as Binoya fakes. Blocked there by Barba. But Kabutahe able to get it and drops it off to Borromeo.
A good presence of mind there. Not stopping.
That's a much needed answer for Arellano. Versosa fouled on that attempt. Look at this.
Ito yung
Great
dangerous
pass.
pass.
Buti na lang. Madikit ang bola sa kamay nitong si Renz Villegas. And this drop pass from Kabutahe to Borromeo. Nag-aabang na doon sa gilid. Prince.
Oo, na-late doon yung help side ng Lyceum.
Another miss from LPU from the line. 9 out of 17, Prince.
Masama yun for free throws.
That's the right word. Masama.
No, 52%. And like what you said earlier, Nico, he's gonna hunt them down sa dulo ng game.
Another miss from Versosa. 9 out of 18, kalahati. Imagine. Kung yung siyam na yun, pumasok, that could have been a much closer
Another
game.
unspo. Nico.
Another one from Arellano? Or gumanti ba? Itong si Jonathan Daileg. Let's see here. What happened? Off the free throw. Vinoya boxing out. Doon. Sa batok. Ang tama. Ang tanong doon, kung sinadya bang rekta?
Oo, pero kasi kahit hindi sadya, basta tinamaan sa ulo. Upgrade to unspo na yun.
That's the first anspo called on LPU. Dalawa naman doon si Arellano kanina.
So nakakatatlo na tayo this game.
As Maverick misses on the second one, but they will keep possession here. A 13-point lead by Arellano. Ito si Kabotahe sa gilid. Borromeo fakes. More fake.
Abiera open.
Misses
Lord.
on Abiera as Versosa gets that big rebound. Balik ang bola sa LPU.
Pero ito yung pwede maging game changer para sa Arellano. Penalty na sila ngayon. So babagal yung laro.
But they've been missing on the free throw line.
Ayun nga. LPU has to capitalize dito sa free throws.
That's 10 out of 20. Kalahati itong Mintis.
2 of
10
6.
out of 21.
2 of 6 para dito kay Versosa. Swerte ang Arellano dun.
Geronimo fighting Kabotahe on the corner. 10 to shoot. Geronimo pulls up, misses. Look at Abiera, misses. Ooh. And the ball will stay with Arellano.
Hindi na control ni Versosa dun sa rebound na yun.
Great effort there from the blue shirts. Can they make it on the third try? Look at Taco play. Borromeo, paligid-ligid.
Hindi nakita ng Lyceum si Borromeo.
On the other side, Prince Arellano shooting 66.7% from the free throw, 10 out of 15.
And prior to this game, nag-struggle din Arellano sa free throws eh. Pero this game, medyo umu-okay nga. Medyo nag-improve na yung percentage nila.
As Borromeo sinks that first. Borromeo started everything with his defense.
Oo.
Mula pa kaninang first half.
Lalo na yung depensa niya kay Ato Barba. Pinapahirapan niya talaga eh.
And another offensive rebound for Arellano. That's their 14th offensive rebound. Ongotan, Geronimo pulls up. Umabot! Umabot! Para kay Geronimo. Bailout shot by Ernest Geronimo. Barba, under a minute remaining. Against Vinoya. Barba steps back.
Tough shot.
Versosa gets the board. And there will be a foul called sa isang LPU player there.
Oh, loose ball foul.
Si Villegas ang tinawagan doon. Look at that. Villegas, nahuling nanunulak.
Oo.
Ongotan selling that call.
Good job by Ongotan.
As Akop now back in the game. Villegas naman sa LPU, uupo muna. Miller also will check in this game for the first time. Syempre, the son
Actually, crowd favorite to eh.
Yeah.
Si Miller eh. Every time na pinapasok siya, nakikita ko talaga yung mga Arellano crowd eh. Pumapalakpak talaga eh.
And what you want for him is to take advantage of that, you know, of the cheers.
Oo naman.
And make something out of it.
Yeah.
And look at that kabotahe, misses. Versosa picks up the ball. Now Palingayan gives it to Daileg. Also a missing link in this game for Coach Gilbert. 10 to shoot for the gray shirt. Versosa to the corner. Misses from Peñafiel. He hesitates on that shot. Miller pulls up. Jumper.
Sayang yun.
He can't get that basket before the end of the buzzer. After 3 quarters, Arellano pulling away 66 to 50 against LPU Pirates. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101.
Lyceum has to have a good start here sa 4th quarter if gusto nilang makabalik from a 16-point lead.
Before the start of the third quarter, as we're seeing the quarter scoring 10 points only for LPU, 24 points for Arellano. Pulling away 66 to 50 right now at the start of the 4th.
Quick turnaround itong 3rd quarter. Sobrang naging crucial dito yung naging turnovers ng Lyceum. Sunod-sunod yung naging turnovers nila that quarter.
Well, also the conversion ng turnovers nitong
yun pa.
Arellano. 15 turnover points for Arellano against 1 only on LPU. And the 3-point field goal, Prince.
Biglang tumaas, no? Para sa Arellano. In the first half, they were struggling. Pero pagdating sa 3rd quarter, ibang story na. Pumapasok na yung 3 points nila.
Gordon now in the game. Together with Palingayan, Peñafiel, Abrigana, Gordon pulls
Short.
up, misses, Versosa! Finally scoring for LPU.
Actually, kanina pa yan si Versosa being aggressive pagdating sa rebounds.
And look at the basket backs out. Dalawa ang binacks out itong si Versosa ron. Using the glass for a 3-point play opportunity. Ang tanong na naman dito, can he complete that 3-point play?
Actually, nakarami siya last quarter itong si Versosa. Finally made it.
Ang depensa ng LPU, in-stretch dito sa backcourt.
Full court na. Para pagdating sa front court, wala na masyadong shot clock.
Geronimo
Oh,
steps
snatch
back. Mintis lang doon sa tira na
Another
yun.
offensive rebound for Arellano.
Miller drops it off to Akop. Great find from Andre Miller.
Gordon manning the point. Pinilit, but there was foul.
Look at this, Kabotahe. Dropping it off, another drop off.
Pinitbit pa eh.
Ganyan kapag kilala mo masyado ang teammates mo, Prince.
Kaya importante talaga na magkaroon ng chemistry eh.
Pag yung iba, hinto na yun doon sa taas eh.
Oh, hindi na.
But maybe because they're enjoying this game really well. You know, as Gordon makes the first one for LPU.
Pero Nico, mahaba pa to. They just have to make stops. Itong Lyceum ay gonna convert sa free throws.
Mahaba pa? O, punta muna tayo kay Aaron D. Aaron,
2 seasons ago, T-Mac Ongotan's basketball journey almost ended before it had even begun. Just before season 99 was about to tip off, Ongotan was cut from the Arellano lineup, and with a heavy heart, he had to return to his province in Bulan, Sorsogon. For a month, he tried to move on, but something inside him couldn't. Parang may kulang, sabi ni T-Mac. Then one night, everything changed. He suddenly woke up to multiple missed calls and messages. It was Coach Chico Manabat. Coach said he saw it in a dream. He needed to bring T-Mac back. Fast forward to season 101. The same player once cut from the team is now one of the Chiefs' main scorers and most trusted pieces on the floor. For T-Mac, every game is a reminder of that second chance, and he is making the most of that chance today. Meanwhile, McLeod Guadagna, spectating on the sidelines for LPU, will not suit up this season 101 due to a knee and ankle injury. Guadagna still has one last playing year. Back to you, Nico and Prince.
That's a timely report for Aaron Lee about T-Mac Mogotan, as we're seeing a much improved T-Mac Mogotan on the season 101. Maganda na yung play niya last season 100 pero right now, he has become the main guy for Coach Chico Manaban.
Nag-level up talaga itong laro ni T-Mac Mogotan, not just scoring-wise, pero he knows how to involve his teammates already. On the other hand, syempre, itong si McLeod Guadagna, as we see, nasa sideline siya, spectating lang, hindi siya makatayo dahil sa injury. At dito talaga makikita na laking kawalan itong si McLeod Guadagna, a leader.
As we're seeing the bench points, 33 for Arellano, 18 for LPU.
Versosa bringing down the ball.
Malingayan to Gordon. Can he provide a much-needed point from the bench?
Yeah, playing quality minutes itong si Gordon.
Trying to be aggressive against the defense of Arellano. Look at
Driving
Hernal trying to intercept that attack. Itong si Gordon. First shot for Gordon. Can he make it? No.
Kita natin sa mga actions, yung frustrations talaga ng mga coaches ng Lyceum. Dahil nga itong free throws sila, dito sila nagkakaproblema.
Second shot for Gordon is good. 1 out of 2. And right now, it's a 16-point lead for Arellano, 69-55. Can they sustain up until the end? Or LPU will have another run? And who's foul? Kamay versus Gordon. And you're loving itong effort nito si Gordon.
Naman,
Again,
syempre. Alam niya.
limited minutes.
Yeah.
Pero kapag tinawag, try to get everything.
And that's how you earn minutes. Sa simula talaga sa defense talaga yan.
Technical foul on the Pirates head coach, Gilbert Malabanan,
Tama
for
na.
unsportsmanlike behavior.
Na technical po itong si Coach Gilbert for Ojotan and Arellano.
0 for T-Mac Mogotan.
What you want is to take advantage. Itong si Omar Gordon, coming from Toronto, Canada, pero native yan ng Giginto, Bulacan. Doon pinanganak sa Toronto, Canada. Sa Viera. Oh!
Asking for a foul there.
17 seconds on the shot clock.
Yuyuko pa sana at magkakape. Itong si Viera, look at that. But itong si Versosa. Oh! I think there should be a
Medyo
foul
may
there.
contact dun.
Geronimo, block!
Another
Once
block.
again from Gordon.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Last time around, LPU had 9 blocks against San Sebastian. Depensa ang kailangan talaga nitong LPU to get back on this game. Ojotan nahirapan. Borromeo has the ball now. 10 to shoot for Arellano. Swings it to Geronimo. Geronimo drops
Good
it off
pass.
to Hernal. And he makes it.
Good recognition for Geronimo. Now a 17-point game.
Peñafiel, 7 to shoot. Barba, free from the corner. All board. Masyadong malalim sa gilid. as Abiera.
Metro Aguera from Gila, Obata.
Timeout muna, 74-55. Lamang pa rin ang Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101, Building Greatness. Arellano continue its resurgence dito sa ating laro kontra LPU Pirates. Down by 7 on the first quarter. Now they are up here, 74-55. The largest lead of the game for Arellano. That's the last shot mula rito kay Abiera.
Also, Piero starting to heat up with 12 points already.
16 points ang lamang nitong Arellano University. And turnovers for this fourth quarter. Or
The entire game, 4 turnovers lang ang Arellano. That's quite impressive. Naalagaan talaga nila yung bola. Tapos buong season, averaging 17 turnovers. Yeah, season average for turnovers ng Arellano, 17.3. This game, 4 turnovers. Sobrang impressive nun. Comparing it to Lyceum's 18. So yun talaga naging story na tong game na to, kung paano nakalayo ang Arellano.
And look at this. Nagkatamaan doon sa itaas si Barba at Kumotan.
Free throws.
Geronimo, picked by Hernal. Now Borromeo. Hindi ma-handoff dito kay Abiera. 6 to shoot for the blue shirt. Geronimo. Hernal pulls up, misses. Check that. It's Abiera. Versosa to Barba. Barba, pipilitin sa
Masikip.
ilalim. Tatlong Arellano, 4 pala ang nandun sa ilalim na yun.
Oo, medyo not the best shot there. 4 na tao, nagbantay kay Barba.
Yung 4 turnovers lang itong Arellano, maybe because Ongotan and Kama are doing a good job na orchestrating the offense. Ito
Yung
nga,
mga gwardya ng Arellano.
and look at this. Ito yung suffocating defense. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue shirts ang nandun sa ilalim to contest this Barba shot. Great defense from Arellano. Alam nila kung sino yung kailangan bantayan.
But if you're Barba, syempre alam mo, tatlong defenders na sa'yo. You gotta kick the ball out to the shooters.
You know, I've talked to Coach Chico a while ago. Sabi ko nga, ang isa sa specific question ko, how will you stop Ato Barba right after that 32-point game last time around? Hindi sa walang masagot si Coach ha. Pero sabi niya, ang bata na yan, magaling talaga. Pero we will do everything to stop him.
Yeah. Parang kanina, pinakita. They did everything. Tatlong bantay kay Barba.
And all game long, iba-ibang pinapadala to defend itong si Barba. Sabi natin, Borromeo on the first half did a good job against Ato. Nakita rin natin, nag-switch din for a time itong si Abiera. And look at now, it's Borromeo still with Barba.
They wanna finish strong talaga.
Gordon, nakawala sa depensa nitong si Abiera. 5:55 remaining in this game. LPU still in the world of trouble here. Paulo for 3. Can't make it. Bumubunot na itong si
Oo.
Coach Gilbert.
Medyo nire-rush yung mga shots ng Lyceum. Pinipilit nila yung mga tira nila.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Ang kapapasok lang si Dave Paulo. Missing on that first shot. Moralejo looking for Barba here. Barba takes it. Makes it. Could this be the start?
Oo.
Borromeo against the defense nitong si Dave Paulo. Now Ongotan. Tend to shoot for Arellano.
Fresh legs eh. Itong si Paolo, yung depensa niya.
Ongotan!
Rebound.
Binaybi pa! At Tioyo ang bola.
Foul.
Has it down, number 3.
That's a dipsy-do shot from Team Ongotan.
That's his shot eh. Half time.
Let's see once again. This is the second time Timac doing this kind of shot. Look at that. Sinawsaw pa against the outstretched arm of Bersosa.
Gusto niya yung mga ganong tira eh. Yung mga mahihirap eh. Check this, Nico. 13 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists. Flirting with a triple-double itong si Team Ongotan.
That's how you lead a team, Prince. Hernal offering a pick for Geronimo. Now Timac fakes. Timac drives.
Another
Floater.
one.
Misses. Gordon gets the board. But
Oh, bad
Abiera is there. What an interception.
Yeah. Tinatapon nila yung bola itong Lyceum. You know, the game's not over yet. They still have to take care of the ball. One possession at a time lang.
2 free throws for Renzo Abiera.
19 turnovers for LPU Pirates. Arellano converting 15 of that 19. But this time, Abiera misses on that free throw. We expected a close game for this game, Prince. But Arellano has other things in mind right now.
Yeah. Especially nung third quarter, doon talaga nagsimula lahat.
24 to 10 third quarter
Yeah.
points. Mabibitawan pa ni Moralejo itong bola. Naku, nasaktan yata.
Official timeout.
Parang natapilok pa itong si
Moralejo.
Moralejo. They are down by 20 here. Moralejo has 8 points in the game. Look at this. Ano itong tayo? Natapakan niya itong isang paa nitong si Geronimo.
Yeah, hope nothing serious.
4 minutes, 33 seconds remaining. This quarter, Arellano scoring 13 points against the 9 of LPU. But the big storyline here, bukod dun sa free throws, ay itong turnovers nitong LPU. Nothing is working here for LPU this game.
Mandatory substitution for Josh Moralejo.
Kasi starters nila, wala namang problema. Has 40 points right now.
Lion Maligaya coming in for
Yun lang
Josh
talaga.
Moralejo.
Free throws, turnovers. Tsaka itong turnover ng Arellano, 4 turnovers lang.
Yep.
Pero iba yung, alam mo yung iniingatan talaga ng bola. Hindi naman sila passive eh. To have that konting turnovers. Pero nakita talaga natin na hindi sila careless sa bola. They really took care of the ball really well.
Eto, tulad ng play na yun ng LPU, muntik mawala as Barba, pinilit ang tira. Dahil wala na ring oras doon.
Shot clock violation.
And if you're not throwing the ball, you know, you can always orchestrate a proper offense para rito sa Arellano. Now, they have 16 assists.
Yun yung nakukulangan sa Lyceum. Yung may mag-orchestrate sa floor, mag-facilitate.
Borromeo
Two
pulls
man
up from
down.
the 3.
Anthony Borromeo.
Everything is working for Arellano
Ngayon si Paolo naman yung mahawak sa ankle.
as another two Lyceum players now down on the floor. Let's see what happened here. Dave Paulo trying to defend. Naku, nagkapatiran itong si Omar Gordon and Dave Paulo. Parehong tama. Itong si Moreleo at itong si Dave Paulo.
Mandatory substitution for Dave Paulo.
Arellano looking to pull away in this game, 82-59, with 3 and 59 seconds remaining.
Simon Peñafiel for Dave Paulo.
Leading the team is Timac Ongotan with 13 points, 8 assists, and 9 rebounds. Almost a triple-double here.
All-around performance for Ongotan.
Ang tanong, hahayaan ba siya ni Coach Chico na makuha yan?
Oo nga eh. Yun, hindi, well, so far hindi siya sinasabi. Parang hinahayaan eh.
Dailig looking for Palingayan. Still not all said and done here for LPU. Borromeo asking for a travel against Barba. 5 to shoot. Barba kicks it out to Palingayan. Mawawala na naman ng bola. 2 seconds. Palingayan binaba pa. Doon kay Versosa.
You know, back-to-back shot clock violation na yan for Lyceum.
Well, that's the story of the game right now for LPU. All those turnovers, all those thrown basketball. Panira na, nawawala pa for LPU. Ongotan.
Looking for that assist.
Abera.
Assist number 9 for Timac Ongotan.
Renzo Abera.
He's looking for it, Prince. Barba. Zigzagging.
And a block.
That's the 10th rebound. Ay, no, block. Oh, block na yun.
Parang
Nabutan ba?
parang pwede rin rebound yun eh.
Let's see. Saan marirecord yun?
He's looking for this one last assist.
Mukha kasing nabitawan yung Barba ang bola dun eh. Ongotan. Dancing. Spinning. He's gonna look for a teammate. And he
Wala na,
turned the
turnover.
ball over. Let's see. This assist kicks it out. Ongotan to Abiera from the 3 for his 9th assist of the game.
Okay, so 10 rebounds na nga si Ongotan. So 1 assist shy. 1 assist more pag triple-double.
So that's a block plus a rebound for Ongotan. Tama, no?
Wow.
Peñafiel, look at the defense of Arellano. Dailig pulls up. That's an emergency shot na for Dailig eh. Ongotan is 1 assist away from a triple-double. Will they go to Timac? Borromeo spins. Turn the ball over. Abrigana to Palingayan. Hesitates. Drives to Aurigue. Foul. And there will be a foul called on I think on Binoya.
Number 14, Maldinoya.
Nakikitaan ko yung sa mga coaches ng Arellano, sinasabihan si Ongotan, isang assist na lang. Triple-double ka na.
Hey, you love the support.
Yeah.
And we expect the possession will start with Timac on the next one.
Pero pressure din sa teammates yun, sana ma-shoot nila.
Andre Alba coming in for Mav Vinoy.
What seems to be the problem for
Free throws
LPU?
for Ryan Kalingaya.
Their free throws. 15 out of 30 ang minimintis nitong mga taga-LPU. Baka mamaya may special session.
Meron yan. Another one.
Another one. Now Ongotan has the ball now. Is he gonna go for the triple-double?
Looking for the triple-double.
For your teammates, what you want ay gumalaw para may mapasahan si Ongotan. Here's
Oh, he
Langit.
didn't take it. Took it strong to the basket.
Will that be counted as assist?
Was that an assist?
Matthew Langit.
Aurigue. The ball will stay with LPU.
Will Leonard coming in for Renzo Abiano.
That's still not an assist
Yeah.
for T-Mac.
Pero isa-sub na si Tima.
For Timac Ongotan.
And that's still a great performance.
40
For
seconds on the
Timac
clock.
Ongotan.
Oh no, it's counted
It's
as
counted
an
as
assist.
assist.
So it's a triple-double now for Tima Ongotan.
Oh yeah. Ngayon lang nag-record sa akin.
Jonathan Daile.
What a
T-Mac
game.
Ongotan has triple-double. 13 points, 10 assists, and 10 rebounds.
Parang ang tagal na walang gumagawa nun. Triple-double dito sa NC.
Look at the defense.
Look at this
from
Arellano
Arellano.
defense. They're not done yet.
And look at that. Oh, there's a foul. What a game from Arellano University.
Gonna love the energy for the Chiefs.
Second foul on Matthew Langit.
And look at this. Still going for the dive.
Two
Itong si
free throws
Espiritu
for Lance
and
Oribe.
also Kabotahe. Showing Coach Chico, sir, we are also accountable.
Yeah.
As Aurigue makes the first one finally for LPU on the free throw. 87-64.
Imagine if ganito lagi pinapakita ng Arellano every game. Magiging contender talaga sila this season eh.
Well, what we're trying to say with Arellano, lahat binibigyan nila ng magandang laban eh. Even
Lahat,
the
oo.
top teams, even on the last season.
Yes. Kaya nga like ko sinasabi, pwede siya maging dark horse itong Arellano. Kasi even the higher ranking teams, pinapahirapan nila eh. Pero they just have to be consistent.
Yep. On their last game against Perpetual Altas, they only had 19 bench points compared to this game's 51 bench
Wow.
points.
So,
It's all about the team effort for Arellano.
Step up talaga yung bench ng Arellano ngayon.
At mahirap yun ha, yung gumagana na yung starters mo, gumagana rin yung bench players mo.
Oo, sobrang hirap pigilan pag ganun.
And here's
Langit
another
again.
shot.
Matthew Langit.
Another bench point from Arellano, this time from Langit. Palingayan will try. And this could be it. Arellano bouncing back off that loss against Perpetual Altas. This time getting the win against LPU Pirates.
Grabe yung second half performance ng Arellano. Scoring 50 points all in the second half.
After this game,
65.
Arellano winning 92-65 against LPU Pirates. Coach Chico Manaban relying not just on Team Ongotan, but on the whole team.
Everyone really stepped up for Arellano, and it all started with their defense.
T-Mac Ongotan with a triple-double here. 13 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists. Samahan mo ba na isang steal at isang block? An all-around performance.
All-around
Riggs.
performance for T-Mac, not just in points, pero all-around na involved yung teammates niya. And ganun talaga, pag leader ka ng team, pag veterano ka na talaga, ayun yung mga kailangan, ganyang performance ka.